Man, don't put that on camera, bro.
Amaravel singacabanga ma-ulit ma-stream
That's the thing. Dude, bro.
still, dog. Vele
This one's
science.
gotta be for us.
Science.
Yeah, but you can't put,
Mara
you can't put it
science.
on the net.
Science.
Yeah, this one is for us, tips.
This one's for us.
But this is a shy agreement, bro. We posting that shit like that.
Oh, bring that shy life.
Yo.
That's shy life, no pastor.
Lapha ama-views ndoda. Bheka ama-comment ma-ulit wami, ma-ulit galehlo. Yo, ngingatripha lapha.
Oh, ngiyafeyinta same time.
Ngakhulelwa.
Oh, ngiyafeyinta, dog.
Oh, dog,
Coffee.
crazy.
Don't end up in a coffee. Excuse you, niggas.
Yep. TB.
Our Reed will never have a good name, though.
I'm sure zobe kugcwele lapha ezigzag
He'll
namhlanje
never have a
Yo.
good name.
le beer yama 10 rand izigzag wivile
Yo.
isitoko
Yikho le expire la mo.
expiring
Sure, ukuthi isitoko sokuqala.
Yeah. Beer 10 rand ngazodlala man. Hi.
We're gonna get fucked up here today.
Oh no. Expire le luthola lu.
Yeah.
Nami ngayenza lokho, yakhe.
Why do people love Groove so much, bro? If like all the dumbest decisions happen there.
I'm sure they're lonely. Yeah.
Mm.
That's why. They're lonely. Most people ever see cruising by lonely. So like make sense in the crew. Getting wasted. Vuka kusasa ekuseni. Doesn't make sense.
doesn't fair
It really doesn't make sense.
Act
I'm sorry. Next week back to normal procedure. Oh, I'm gonna get better and on.
Yeah.
like nothing happened last week Joe
Yeah, well,
damn
for mina ngasho it doesn't make sense. Sunny Groove ngathi vele. Khona ndoda phela ibudget yakhe ine Groove. And it, like it's a significant budget.
Oh,
like
it's so good.
1.5 K. That's a lot of money.
Yeah,
Bro.
but people like that shit.
Yeah.
Should man,
People like that shit.
People like hooking up.
Yeah.
Ulandela ke le
Love hooking
People
up.
love
and like people like to be
Groove-
seen
Groove, that's where people show off the most. Groovini. Groovini flexa ngabantwana. Flexa notshwala.
impahla
Impahla. Phela look how people get drunk, get dressed for alcohol.
Yeah,
Umuntu abe manzi.
abanye bayenzini
For
wena
ibhodlela eHennessy.
Yo.
Aligezela alibheka. Yo. Alibambe manje. Yo. My drip Air Force. Don't play with the boy. It's in Hennessy. Hayi sakongena. Lapho lewa manzi inteli lewa mnyama nali. Yangisho but it's lit.
Yeah, kona
It's lit. Kumnandi dog. Kumnandi. Kumnandi tanga but there has to come a point la uthi hayi.
manje
But
now.
that's the only place you flex.
Yeah,
Flex
Groovini.
anywhere
Ah,
else.
dog. Phela there's holes lapha phela. Nangu lesho phela ne brown skin. Shaka mehla cream. Oh, triple. Lapho probably when the budget is like you that guy. 500 rand ngingamkhipha. Obviously 1 million yambeka. Asho die. Thengile ivepa display la. Seka outside suppressa mayo uthenga ivepa yabo. Sekuyilezi izinto lezo. So uncomfortable.
So yazihamba.
Ngoba uphethishisa
Ay.
or maybe unemali. Or nigga just looks too fly.
Oh, so when you broke, you feel like they make you uncomfortable too easily.
Yeah, ndoda.
Yeah.
Any nigga that you
Yeah.
feel like is better than you will make you feel
Yeah.
uncomfortable.
That's why ngathi more broke. That's where people are actually, I think, more free. Yeah. When people are broke, kakhulu. Not broke, look significant, look
maybe at least 50 rand nyana
Yeah, loku savela unamali. Uyangithola. But ulala udlile, uyangithola yakwazi ukuthenga isiphahlo mfethu. Yabo.
Some weird smell, dog. You smell that.
mari imali eningi
Ladies,
yahlangisana
Dead man.
Uyangithola. Yeah, lapho ke ya iglisi. Lapho yakhona ukuzicabanga ukuthi at least the next income ezayo yakhona ucabanga ukuthi. Yabo. Mayimu inkingi habit utshwala. Siyasi ngasho lokho. Wayenza consistent itanga.
Siyohlala kuyo
But
vele.
people like that shit, dog.
Ukuflexa. Tanga umuntu athanda ukuchoma tanga slow.
And khona baphilela wona kena bro.
Tanga uslow yakwazi ukuyiva ngokuslow. Abantu bayakwazi ukuchoma. Etshwaleni.
This baton,
Uyangithola.
Phela manje ndoda
Yeah,
ubheka
look how
ubheka the
stupid that
trance,
was.
ubheka
Most
the
niggas
drip,
is
ubheka the way yakwaza ngakhona.
beba khothana. Is buy. Positive uma 2017, 2015 amagcina amachita aqala ukubhema ithaya.
Yeah.
Like us.
Why?
Vele from Skotani,
You
bhema
flexing too
ithaya.
much. What's up? What causes that?
It's stupid. Nisho yazi fame. You know fame.
I wanna be known, I wanna
So,
be seen.
sa TMT tanga yo. Ifeve zakhala.
So they're
Ngithola.
not doing that shit.
Na imali nakhona imali yaphela.
Tanga-
So it
those
depends.
days,
Yeah,
tanga
nakhona
imali
obviously
ifana.
must every time we turn up there's a certain habit that's gonna build up. Get in my toilet, hey, now I'm getting cocaine. I'm like, aye. Boom. Ah, my tita got stuck in heroin. God. Develops. It's bad, it's time. It's bad.
Nice and form.
Straight.
Why you flexing?
Because muntu peka abo matime
Maybe
atanga.
that's why J. Cole doesn't flex.
Yeah. Atanga monga flex to save imali ephaya.
Yeah.
And you're more observant kakhulu.
Yeah.
Fika umuntu machita nihleli kanjani, let's say kufika umuntu manje nihleli kanjani machita ziwa kanjani, angithengi notshwala, hayi machita nibhekene emehlweni nje. Yangithola nathi siyazibuza ukuthi hawu wena you got
And the
probably got like
vets,
14k
beginning
lapho
with
kuyo.
Yeah.
Yangithola I got like maybe allows to 3k. Yangithola sihlanganisele la kithi khona 20k but we just decided to meet up, smoke weed, sikhuluma. Maye kufika le yavele ngoba vele i-weekend enkulu. Machita, bafethu. Mayiplan ensini. Ihleleni. Ngifika machita ayabheka. Lapho ila wona khona into. Now sewuza i-process ngokuphuza utshwala. Fine. Ngangithola. Inkampani engithenga ama-4 wami zile busy. Film ngifana nje ngawe but wena you uhlangane nerap vele. Yangithola moya oshisayo yashayina. Yakene mna ngizonke sashayina. Yangithola.
Different.
Happiness.
Mara yona afana nokuthi-
Mina tanga yabo ukring ivana.
Happiness isn't the same.
Mina bengiprepare lokho tanga. Like endaweni ezicrowdekile mina mfana bengakhona. Bengakhona. That's why iPahama kaze ngani. Like I never went.
Bro, can I close my mind?
Makazi
Even
ka.
the mind.
I've never went to Bahama.
Yeah.
The only time I went to Bahama ila khathi besihamba nomsholozi. That was my first time.
Yeah.
Say Bahama la. Damn. Sure Bahama nje afi. After that I told myself like fuck. Chawupoza ngakayi-1. Qwele ngada. Machita sami social I'm like yo. I must lo umsebenzi, no?
Yeah.
Sikwele sideploy social. Sithi pia la. Man baby man mamela man. Lapho kuphiza ngiyabona. Fuck you. Hayi. Yele ngicela yeah. Chawupoza bengasayi. Bengithi mase ngibhema lento yami. Ba ngendlela. Phela. Ibe right. Yawa. Manje tanga weekend tanga. Maybe once in a while you gotta flex, yabo. Just to show the world we did.
I'm still here, dog.
Still that
Still
nigga.
here, yeah.
And so,
Yeah.
mara change ya. Phela umuntu abangiyoyithetha kusamele ngeze.
Ish no tasa mina mvumbulele la
Cabanga for
seplam.
ikoneleka manje. Bheka upastet yasho, ayikho iphuzo nokuyiphuza. And bheka like us kuthile kanjani.
Ano takhawula.
Thulekile namhlanje, dog.
Mile.
Abekho nje. Bahambile.
I mean, I think first legit job, maybe 5 digits, yabo. 50k lapha. I pray. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu abe nami. Le wisdom enginayo manje ngishayekile. Ngibe nayo. Ngiyaphambili.
Tot
Tanga
hambe na.
straight tanga. Abantanga bakhabatha i-lifestyle amangakwazi yini.
Yeah, ngithi le lifestyle esigovalo endleleni.
Ngithola. Khola 50k
Sorry.
lifestyle is 60,000. You're bound to crash.
Bang.
You're bound to crash. Inside ushaya indlala. Obviously ufuna ukuthenga i-RS5 njengawo. Meanwhile it mfethu when you were young you're like, oh, if I can save 12k so the it we left your spot at 50k. Damn money now it's free right now. Yabo na.
Dog, you wanna experience shit.
Mina tanga experience but tanga is still young.
Exactly, nigga, you wanna experience this shit while you're young.
But Peggy time like ndala. How many years does that nigga live?
30 years.
A lot of years.
Yeah.
Still experiencing Namaj.
Yeah.
Probably you'll be the first one who's hanging at that one supercar. He's still alive that time he experienced it. And so he experienced it, Begum Nanji. That's it. Vela, if one of us, let's say we say Mabanemot, dog, that is a mind-blowing experience now. because nathi sesiyazi manje idinga udaba futhi hayi mina ngathi
Seminyamalala
yeah
laba
kuyasetshenzwa manje ngithola there's that a bit of morale ephakama yabo but yeah you know people dog once angena tang
umuntu atshintshe jo.
once angena tanga and tang urealize aseklate that's the problem we get in this 9 to 5 cycle ngithola ngisebenzela le Monday yabaza abantu ama breadwinner
Esho
Ngisebenzela imali yami ebuya.
Okay, yo.
Gone.
Fine. Tama tushamba uzoyithi.
Tanga Msiba kana le ivalile.
Iyo.
Msiba ngithekile ukuthi. Imini thing. Mfana. But ke mina into engiyifisayo tanga. Nawe vele mosoyithola le mali. You wisdom onayo manje. Jobu down and out.
ungayilahli
Mfana. Igugu.
ungayilahli
Mawudlula ne-RST yakho udlule enyanyathi yes sikonje sina lezi zihambisana nasi bemlo uyangithola lapho ke maybe probably asahlali nala but he just came across with time and said enyanyathi la ithema yazi into nami ngentana hayi time we Highland hayi he come from the trenches yabo so
it's like that
Highland is the trenches Highland baba
trench cold mafia
Highland it was there ngeke say city trenches so was there moyibheka nje it was there true I feel
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung